Everyone, this is Ashley Peoples, your Norwex consultant. I wanted to demonstrate our Enviro cloth on kitchen countertops. If you are fearful of it not picking up like any bacteria on your countertops, you can be rest assured, because I'm going to test raw chicken and a protein swab that shows that it did actually get all the bacteria off of the countertop, as well as your cloth. Green means clean, purple means that there's still contamination on your surface. So I'm going to start by rubbing chicken on my countertop. That's one surface. Fold it over. The other. Lay out in that chicken swab. For the Enviro cloth. Now this is the swab that you open up and test the countertops. And put it back in here. Break the solution. And again, green means clean. And there we have it. Our countertops are clean. Now I can take it back out. I can show you that it's still not contaminated. Now I'll show you this in the actual chicken and how it will turn purple immediately. You can see the swab's already purple. And that is contaminated. So you can feel comfortable cleaning up your countertops with our Enviro cloth, especially if you're working with raw chicken and whatnot. That's all.